Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import fonts on Capcut. So you can use a new custom font, a new or some aesthetic font that you can try. So the first step, you can open defont.com. This is the custom fonts that you can download for Capcut. All you have to do, just download one or some font that you want. After you download it, here the download button, the file is a zip version. This file is compressed. All you have to do, just decompress your file first, and you have to remember where the location the font that you already decompressed. And let's try open the CapCut now, and open one of the project that you want to add font. So this is for the example. So you can tap add text again, and tap fonts here. So you can add your font in here. So as you can see, I already download 5 a customized font. There is a Minecraftia, Hello Sunday, Comic Pillow, Darling Coffee, American Captain, as you can see. And if you want to import new font, you can tap add plus button and locate the file or the fonts that you already decompress. So for example, here I already got my favorite font here. So this is, for example, the custom font that I already download from the defont.com. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.